Hi guys, this is Ambush and today I am going to show you how you can import and export a catalog in Lightroom. So basically we use this feature of Lightroom while editing photos. Suppose if you have a client or a friend of yours who wants to edit photos and send it to you, or you have edited some photos and you want to send across the catalog. You don't have to send all the files, all the images to that person. You can just only export the Lightroom catalog with the edited images with the editing settings, and you can send across the Lightroom catalog, and the person who is receiving it, they can just import the catalog in Lightroom and sync the images, and then they will have the edited images with them, after which they can export and upload it anywhere on the internet or deliver to their clients. So what we will do is just we'll go to a library and select the images that we want to send across in our catalog. So suppose we want to send these three images. So what we will be doing is we'll be selecting these three images and going to export as catalog, as you can see here, and then we will decide where to export this catalog. As you can see, there are these options are there. We are exporting catalog with three images. Export selected photos only, obviously we have already selected those images. Export negative files. If you want to send the negative files, that is DNG, then you will select these photos, but you have to make sure if we select this option, the file size will be extremely large. It will be around like 20-30 MB per image. So right now we have selected three images, so it will become around 90 MB. The next option is, we typically don't use this. And the next option is build include smart previews. This is very important because what will happen here if we select this option, so what Lightroom will do is they will send a small preview copy. Suppose this is a 20 megapixel image and it's around like 4000 pixels into 3000 pixels or something. I'm not sure about, but it depends, it's quite large. So what Lightroom will do, Lightroom will make a very small preview of around like 800 pixel or 1000 pixel and include that into the catalog and send it along with the catalog. So it will be very useful. So the person who will be achieving it or receiving it, that person, when he will or she will open up the catalog, they will be able to see a very small preview or a thumbnail of the image that you have sent. So we will select these two options, and we will, obviously you have to save the name. We have saved this as sample and export catalog. So you can see the catalog is exported. So the next thing that we will do is how to import it and resync it. Okay, so what we have done is we have exported the catalog, and right now we are going to import it, and I'm going to show you how you can import the catalog and resync the images. So we will go to the Lightroom catalog that we have exported. We have exported this catalog. So we'll just open it up in our Lightroom. As you can see, these are all smart previews. It will show here. These are all very small smart previews that has been included with the catalog itself. So what we need to do is, suppose you have imported this catalog and you want to export this. So what you need to do is obviously go through this, and here it will show the images missing, or this will show it is smart preview. So you can when you export it, you cannot export the large size images. You can only export the smart preview, that is around like 1000 pixel or 800 pixel on the longer end. So to sync this, what we need to do is go to the parent folder, and what we need to do is synchronize folder or update folder location. So we'll go to the update folder location and we'll find out where the images are. So we have stored our images in sample images catalog. We'll select this folder and we'll choose this. So right now it's a full-size image. We have synchronized it with the parent folder, so we can export it in any resolution, the maximum resolution 20 pixel or 25 pixel depending on your camera. We can export this. So this is very useful when it comes to editing images and sending across images, a bunch of images for editing. Typically we use this in our wedding or catalog. You can just send these images to someone who can edit and send it back to you, and this is how you can sync that, and this is how you can open that catalog and sync the images and have the edited images with you. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.